Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel and I'm back at it with another review. So today we will be reviewing, drum roll please, Neesha 206. This unit is by Outre, so this is the new Neesha 206 and I have her in the color DRFF2 Butterscotch. But before we even get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. And make sure you click that notification button so you guys don't miss any more of my upload. All right, we can get started. All right, so I am so excited to try this unit. This Neesha is so cute. Like, I skipped out on a lot of Neeshas, but I had to get this one. I really had to get this one, and I actually got the color that I actually wanted. So we're gonna open her up, and I know like everybody go crazy for these natural looks, and I couldn't miss out on this. So let me just put this over there. All right, so this is, let me see if you guys can see. Focus for me, please. Okay, so this is the stock card, and then when you open the stock card, which I didn't notice, it has all the Neeshas. So these are, focus. These are all the Neeshas. It's not focusing, but these are all the Neeshas that, let's see. Is it focusing? No. Oh well. But these are all the Neeshas that came with this line. They had Neesha, well, the very first Neesha was a long time ago, but then they end up having a Neesha 201, 202, 203, 204, and 205. So I did get 202, but this Neesha that I have here reminds me of Neesha, what number this is, 204. It's just like the shorter version. If you guys don't know the Neesha 204, go check that out. But it's pretty much the shorter version. It's like the baby sister. So, all right. So this is the unit. Oh my gosh, she looks so gorgeous. I'm so in love with this color. Oh my god, what is it, butterscotch? I am so in love with this color, and she feels so soft to the touch. Although she's a natural texture, she does feel soft to the touch. And I actually have like a natural playlist, so go ahead and check that out, because I did end up getting Outre Juliana, and Juliana is very soft to the touch, and it reminds me of Juliana. So let me go ahead and adjust the straps. Hopefully I don't have to do much with this unit, because you know, a lot of you guys, like, I guess, you know, they use like the natural hairline, and we'll see if I'm gonna put a baby hair, like a swoopity swoop on there. All right, so we'll see how she looks part in the middle, because I noticed a lot of you guys have been shifting this unit to the side, so we'll see how it looks. Okay, so all right, this is how the unit looks. I'm not sure how to feel about this. I'm not sure if because I don't like it as a part in the middle, but let me see how would it look if it was parted on. Let me see, what is my side? Yeah, this is actually my side. Yeah, it's not gonna work for me, because look, it's like all the way off my ear. Nah, it ain't gonna work. So we just gonna leave it apart in the middle. And I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably add some baby hairs, because I cannot just not have any baby hairs on this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and add baby hairs and flatten the top, and I will be right back with the end look and the pros and cons about this unit. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back, and so this is the finished look, and I think this look is super gorgeous. This look is giving me like elementary school principal vibe, like walking through the hallways with my with my tall ass heels. Like, I am digging this look. This look is so gorgeous. Some of the pros and cons about this unit off the bat. It does shed. I don't know if it's because it's the color, but I am experiencing some shedding. No tingling, but on the top, I'm not sure, I don't know what to call it, but they usually put hair underneath a little bit to give it like a hump, and I had to comb it through with my rat tail comb, and I didn't like that because normally if I'm gonna pass the hot comb, it gets stuck. So I did have trouble with that area, but after that I just added powder, as you guys can see, and I love the hairline. Let me come closer so you guys can look. But I am feeling this look. I love the hairlining. So some of the pros and cons or description about this unit. Okay, so I did purchase this unit off of wigtypes.com. Again, this is the Neesha 206, which mimics the Neesha 204, which is the shorter version, and the 204 is actually the longer version. I brought this unit for $32. It did have a $2 upcharge. And also I had another Neesha too. I think I had Neesha 202, so this is my second Neesha that I ever tried. So be sure to check that out. I'll put the link on top, or towards the end I'll just add like the playlist. But this unit is big head friendly, so that's actually a good thing, because to me right now it's still loose and I was having trouble. So therefore she is big head friendly. The parting in the middle is fine. I thought I was not gonna like it at first, but I think I do like it a little bit more now, because I did add it just a little bit of baby hairs, because you know, for me, I felt like I wanted to keep this look as natural as possible, but I just didn't like the way the hairlining looked for me. So, and I just love baby hair, so I just love the way baby hairs look, so I just put a little bit, and it did come with a little bit of baby hairs, which was a good thing. So I just added a tad bit, a little bit more baby hair, to be able to do my little swoop. I love the texture. The texture is actually softer than the first Neesha. When I had Outre Julianne, it's also a natural textured hair. It was super soft and very sleek, and this is what it's giving me. Although it's a natural textured hair, it's giving me like soft, you know, soft vibe. Like it's pretty much a blowout. Like when I first blow out my hair, pretty much. I'm in love with the color. You guys know when it comes to blonde, you know, I'm just a go ahead crack fiend when it comes to blonde, to be honest, when it comes to blonde. But I am feeling this color, and I've been trying to get this color for so long, even with the previous Neesha. So finally I got the color that I wanted, and jumped on a bandwagon. But I think this unit is so cute and super gorgeous. The length is giving me, like, I think it's giving me a 10-inch, yeah, about 10-inch, because 10-inch is shoulder length. It does not tangle at all. Like I did mention, it sheds. The color of the unit, of course, I told you guys I love it. I'm just reading off my little board over here. From a scale to 1 to 10, I give this unit 9. I actually love this unit. I think this unit would look so good for the not even summer, I'm sorry, for the fall, you know, fall to winter. So I am actually gonna save this unit. I'm not gonna be wearing it, so this is just gonna be the only time. So once fall come and it gets a little chilly and windy, I think this look would be super gorgeous with a nice fit. I love the hairline. The hairline, you know, don't look at the baby hairs, it's kind of messed up, but I love the hairline that is giving me. It looks natural. It matches my scalp as well, so I didn't really have to do too much. I did put a little bit of face powder on there, but I didn't have to do too much. But yeah, what are your thoughts about this look over here? Like, what Neeshas have you guys had? What Neeshas you guys purchased? Did you get the 201, 2, 3, 4, 5? Did you get this one? Because I have not seen too much reviews on this one, so I'm so excited to bring this look out for you guys. What do you guys think about the color? Would you guys get a more natural color? I think for me, another color that caught my attention, if I can find let me see. Look, see, I already lost it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there was a color on here that I actually wanted. It was a DRFF2 cinnamon spice. I think this is it on the stock card, if I'm not mistaken. This here, this copperish color here, I love it so much. And there was another one. I think the other one is a little bit more brighter. It's a DR Sienna copper. So I think either one of those, I would love to get them and see how would it look. I think they'll look so great for the fall. It's like autumn, nice colors. But this here, I am feeling this look. But I'm not trying to talk too much, you guys. I think this is about it for this review. If you like everything about this unit, be sure to check down the description box below. I will tag the link down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. And also, if you are not following my Instagram, go ahead and do so now. My Instagram is Mimi Carvel Beauty. I do have 2 channels, so make sure you follow the one with the beauty. And I think that is about it for this look. This is so freaking cute. Like, I look like a school principal. Like, imagine me walking down the hallway, like, telling you, go to class. Go to class, you're suspended. Go to class. But yeah, that's about it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye. Mwah.